Mapistry for your COVID response plan, one of the things you can do is go into the mapping function and use it for other health and safety, fire extinguisher tracking, other items you might want to map and track. So the way you do that is create a fire extinguisher layer by clicking here. And I want it to be a marker type, so a point, and I'll click Save. And then all I have to do is go over here to the drawing tools, click on the marker type, and then I can come over to my map, and if I've got a fire extinguisher here, I click here, and I go to the layer, and I look for fire extinguishers, and I'm going to label this FE1, and save and close, and you'll see that show up. And then if I want to change what it looks like, I go over to the fire extinguishers layer, click on this edit layer, the pencil icon, go over to styles, and I'm going to change it to red, and then I'm going to make it into a teardrop shape. And I'm going to turn off the label. Click Save, and I've got those teardrops, but it's a little confusing because I also have COVID-19 signs. So I'm actually going to create a fire extinguisher map. And you can see that there's multiple maps now down here in the left: tanks, fire extinguishers, and COVID. And I'm going to turn off my COVID-specific ones, and then I've just got my building outlines and the fire extinguishers and my site boundary. And now I can go in and add some other fire extinguishers that I know are on site. As you see, it's on the fire extinguisher layer. It's FE2, save and close, and I can go around and put those wherever they may be on the site map. So now I can use it for more than just the COVID, I can use it for fire extinguishers.